Hi there, my name is Joran from Foleon, and in this video I'll show you how you can analyze your content. So you've created a Foleon doc, you've distributed it, and now you want to measure its performance. You can do this in three different ways: by using our Foleon built-in reporting, by connecting your project to Google Analytics, or by using one of our marketing automation platform tracking integrations. Let's dive in. We're going to start off by going to the Foleon reporting, which we can access in the dashboard. Go to the project that you want to access, and then go to the relevant Foleon doc of which you want to know how it's performing. Click on the Click Actions menu, and then go to Reports. I already have a report opened up right here, and as you can see here, this is for the Foleon doc brand guide. You can select a date range, so you can select for which time period you want to see how your Foleon doc is performing. Right now we have this for the past month, which is the standard, from the 26th of September till the 26th of October. But let's say if you want to measure from half a year ago, of course, that's also possible. We start measuring from the time that you publish your Foleon doc, so that's good to know. Here you can see a graph for the overall visitors that you've had over this time period. You can check the visitors, the page views, the pages by session. Good to know is that you can hover over these metrics to find out a bit more of what these metrics actually mean and how we measure it. You have the visitors with the new versus returning visitors, and the sessions by device, so whether your audience opened it up on desktop or mobile. In the page overview, you can check each page, and each page has different metrics that will give you a bit more insight in how pages compare to each other. So this is the roundup for Foleon reporting, and next up is Google Analytics. Google Analytics is the most widely used web analytics service on the web, and because Google Analytics really focuses on analytics, you might get some additional insights for your Foleon docs. Now, how can you connect your project to it? You go to Project Settings, then you scroll down, and here you see Google Analytics. So what you just need to do is you need to implement a tracking ID. So in this case, this is an example tracking ID, and then save your project, and that's it. Just to make sure that you know how you can obtain that tracking ID, I recommend going to the Help Center and go into the relevant article, which is also linked right here. What we always recommend to do is install it at the start of your project, so all of the audience data is being registered right from the start. So you would save this right here. You would enter the project name to confirm, which in this case is Acme Inc. We save. There we go. It's as easy as that. Next to that, we still have the marketing automation platforms to go through. So also in the project settings, you can scroll down. We have HubSpot page tracking, Marketo, Salesforce, and Eloqua. So what these allow you to do is they enable you to let you see right on the contact timelines whenever contacts visit your content and how they behave. Please keep in mind that these 4 native integrations are not included in each plan, so if you are interested, please contact our customer success management team. So, just to sum up what you've now learned is you've learned how to access Foleon reporting and how to deal with the metrics, how to connect with Google Analytics, and how to track with your marketing automation platform. As always, I recommend going to the Help Center for more in-depth articles, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.